Alright y'all, welcome back to Son's Country Living. Today me and Daddy we're going to be hunting on the ridge. Yesterday while I was hunting, I saw a doe, but she got away because when she came in, I went to stand up and she saw me. So what we're going to do today is we're going to hang a lock on and hang a platform for him where she came in. We're going to try to cut it off today and see maybe if a buck will do that. But I'll catch y'all in a minute.
Another thing too is it's kind of drizzly and cloudy. Man, it looks good. I don't know which direction the wind's blowing, but we're gonna try to work things out in our favor. So we'll see y'all guys after we get the stands on. G5'd it for sure. But listen, y'all, it's prime time. We got 30 minutes till dark. So we're gonna pay attention, see if we see anything. We'll check back in with y'all. His luminol should be lit up. So unless it turned it off, but if we find it, we'll show y'all.
Alright guys, me and Dad just got done hunting. I shot a bobcat, little disclaimer. It was about 8 yards. It was facing toward us. I shot it and I got a good shot on it. I shot all the arrow once we get to our hotel, but we're at Burger King. We're fixing to get y'all something to eat, and we'll see y'all in the morning.
Yeah. All right, guys. Me and Nate is back down here. Micah's up on the ridge, and we was looking for his bobcat. I've spotted it out there. Right there. You see it? Yeah. I'm fixing to drag it out. I'm gonna get her to video me. Find it. And then I'll have it laying in the road there to surprise him. Let me get it out so y'all can look at it. You're still videoing, right? Yeah. What if it was alive and it bit me, you know? Oh my Lord, I'm taking this one. Dude, I just bought it. Alright, well, as y'all can tell, I was gagging. So, Micah, he didn't see nothing, so he's going to get forward. He don't know I found a bobcat, and I told him we'd go look for it, but I told him I didn't think we'd find it. So, I think he'll be real excited. That'll be the first thing. He shot a spike. And it was when that hurricane, Milton or Hilton or whatever come through, you know, and it, you know, done all that devastation. He shot it there right at dark, and it started falling a flood, and we couldn't find it. I know he killed it, but we never could find it. So this will be the first animal he's harvested with his bow, which is pretty good. I mean, it's awesome. He should be here in just a minute. Okay, I hear the four-wheeler coming. So let's see if he spots it hanging. I hung it up on that log up in there. We'll see y'all when we get down there. All right, here he comes. You know what? All right, you ready to go look for it?
Yeah, I'm actually excited too.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to drive down there? Oh. You get my bow for me, are you? Yeah. Guys, I shot that bobcat. We know it's dead. It's just a matter of can we find it.
I don't know, buddy.
Probably not. Alright, y'all. We're down here looking for my bobcat. I shot it with my bow yesterday at like 8 yards, was it?
Yeah.
Like 8 yards. It was facing toward us, and I tried to put it about right there, you know. So yeah. But Daddy says he thinks he's seen it flop, so we're gonna go look for it.
Look and see if you see blood over where it crossed on that long.
What y'all do?
No.
Y'all shot a deer or something.
Oh, you might have.
Yeah, Daddy.
What's that above your head?
You found it?
Yeah.
Where was it?
Is that it?
Where was it?
Where I saw it?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Look at how pretty.
Well, it smells pretty.
It does.
Yeah.
Oh my God! That looks alive.
Oh, it was.
Oh, it was.
Yeah, Daddy had to cut his neck off.
Did you really?
He had to snap his neck.
Nah, I hit it with a stick.
Oh, what was it doing? Just bedded down or something?
It was dead. You know it's dead.
Oh, yeah, well, I killed that thing. Oh my God, that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. 11-year-old and shot a bobcat with a bow.
Yeah, facing us.
Yeah.
With that thing right there.
Yeah.
Oh man. I probably saved it. That's dang. Oh my God. Golly.
Yeah, he's been G5. Yeah, well, son, get him off her so we can get him off so we can see him.
Yeah, this bird's so soft. Oh, I shot him in the neck. Chill. Good God.
Boy, he's got pretty spots.
Oh, whoa. Look at his little bushy tail.
Hold him up so we can see him.
Oh, that's freaking awesome.
You know, like by the back legs?
Huh?
Like by the back legs, buddy.
Look at Daddy's face.
Golly, that broadhead put a hole in him, didn't he?
Gosh.
That's a big cat.
Yeah, it is.
Hold it up by the back legs so we can see it, buddy.
Okay. It's as long as I am.
Turn it around so we can see its hide. Oh man, that's a good one.
Look at that. We'll have to get him to patch up a few holes, but
Yeah.
oh man.
See y'all later.